Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. As you are aware, TCS free NQT is announced. This is the biggest hiring for 2024, 2025 and 2026. Freshers and experienced for digital and prime role. Now many of the students are asking, sir, the last date to apply registration end date is 20 of March 2026, but the test date is starting from 10th of March 2026 onwards. So I need to book a exam slot, okay, and which place, basically, because people will be moving from here and there, so where basically should I select the center? So these kind of questions are coming now from the last year experience. Let me tell you, okay, so the registration started from, please try to understand, and in this video I am also going to tell you how to prepare for coding. So registration started from 18th of Feb and it will end on 20th of March. Now it does not mean if you register on 19th of Feb then your exam will be, right, so exam is starting from 10th of March onwards, so your exam will be on 15th of March or let's say 25th of March. No, even your exam might be in April somewhere or May, okay, that is not guaranteed. Okay, so friends, this exam dates, no, it will be from March till May. I have told you earlier also, and how I am telling this, last year experience. Last year, if you'll go to our YouTube channel, okay, so I will, after this I will show you, so till when the exam had happened, March, April, May, 3 months the exam had happened, okay. And if the last date is 20th of March and if you are applying 5th of March, so it does not mean your exam is going to happen in May. Your exam also might happen in the same month. So these are the completely indefinite things. There is no relation that the one who will apply first, they will have exam first. No. Okay, so first in, first out, that is not here. So this totally, this all those things are definitely very much different. So you have to plan like this and you apply as soon as possible. So it's already today 22nd of Feb. So now you please plan to apply, and there are few people who are also facing the application process, right? So there is some issues are there. So for that you need to contact TCS. Even I am trying to make one video where I will bring this application not shown, apply to drive not shown. So I will just try to give you some information. I am recollecting the data, but again it's very important to get in touch with TCS and do not wait for the last dates. Now suppose if you are going to apply on 10th of March and what if something does not work, you will not have even time to check all those things. Okay, fine friends, one more discussion which is happening on lot of videos. So let me go back to FAQs regarding your ninja hiring. Okay, the whatever is given here, that is what I will try to tell you. So here, will I be eligible for a ninja offer from this hiring event? So we are focusing on prime and digital candidate from this hiring event. However, ninja offers will be based on the performance during the hiring process. So friends, this meaning if you try to understand now, so they are telling, okay, we are primarily looking for a prime and digital, okay, and then suppose an interview if you do not perform well, okay, see, this is what I can make it out, but whatever you understand, see, anyway you have to apply for the exam, you have to give your best, there is no doubt. So you do not focus on this ninja, digital and prime hiring. Your focus would be just TCS hiring, nothing else, okay. So, and for ninja they have already told 3.4 and 3.6. So, but you have to prepare for the coding, there is no other go. So friends, we have released DSA white book, okay. So DSA white book is going to help you to prepare for your coding. Okay, see, this is part 1. Part 2 is like, because there was I don't know if you'll not be able to see the pages from here. Okay, so how to take input in TCS exam, arrays, strings, sliding window approach problems, linked list, bit manipulation, backtracking, binary search, binary tree, story bit, previous year question, stack use and dequeues problem, graph, everything in part 2, graph and TCS previous year questions, all those things is covered in part 2. Okay, and already it is released, it will be inside the I will tell you where you will be able to find out. And the most important thing here is in all 3 languages, Java, C++, and Python. Okay, so in all three languages it is released, not only one language, and that is the reason the number of pages are 800 and plus. We are still adding some more question, so that at least digital prime this time you are not going to leave. Okay, and this is as part of the TCS NQT crash course in the same price we are providing. We have not increased the price, same price we are providing. If you go in the content, so you will be able to see here DSA White Book part 1 and part 2. And I'm telling you, right, see, many of you will again tell, sir, you are promoting your courses again and again. It's not a promotion. If you are not aware, be aware of all those things, because I know tomorrow there is no, I know ways. If you can only regret, you will not be able to get to write the TCS exam again, right? See, if you go down here, how to take input in C++, Java and Python in TCS, because many of you face compiler issues. Okay, and once you go down, so let us take some problems, right? So here you see implementation code, C++, explanation, right? Output, examples, explanation, right? So find the sum of elements in a given array, example 1, right? So first see one by one. So explanation, you see input is given, output is this. Okay, explanation, why it came like this, and all the codes you can compile and run. Okay, explanation, approach using a loop. Okay, implementation code, C++ code, output. Okay, implementation code, Java code, implementation code, Python code. Okay, so 800 plus pages are there, and this is definitely going to help you. So this TCS NQT crash course will definitely help you. And one more thing, friends, we have increased the number of classes like anything. Here you see, so Monday mock interview we are giving it from now only. C++ classes, C++ classes, the number of classes has been increased. Verbal ability classes, 2 hours of the classes, all marathon classes. See, either the classes are divided in 1 hour, or the classes are dividing in divided in 2 hours. Verbal ability 2 hours, aptitude PYQ with me. Okay, Java PYQ classes with Adar sir, Python PY classes with Priyansi ma'am for 2 hours, Java PYQ classes with Adar sir. So Java 1 so if they are taking 1 hour classes, then 2 days. If they are taking single classes, then 2 hours. Okay, and then reasoning PYQ classes with Pratik sir, right? So we are following this particular pattern. Okay, week 1, week 2, so here it is 18th of Feb. Okay, week 3, and then week 4. So we are only solving the previous year question in the mock test form in the class, right? We will ask you to solve the question, tell the logic, and after that we will be solving in all 3 languages. Aptitude, verbal ability, we have new ma'am, Simran ma'am. So she is going to, I mean Simran ma'am plus Isa ma'am, 2 verbal ability faculty now will be teaching you. So these are the things which we are giving to you this year. No, we have given like whatever we can, and that much nobody will give you. That is my guarantee to all of you. Okay, so get this TCS NQT crash course as soon as possible before you regret. You have time, and utilize the time. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.